You think living near one volcano is risky? Try living in a country with over 130 active volcanoes. Welcome to Indonesia, the most volcanic country on Earth. These giants have shaped civilizations and wiped them out. From deadly explosions to massive tsunamis, Indonesia's volcanoes have even changed the world's climate. Indonesia has more volcanoes than Japan, the US, and Italy combined. Would you live in the most explosive country on Earth? Or is this paradise with a price? Indonesia, the land of fire, comments now, or would you live here?